Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here, and I just got this very interesting software update from Tesla. It has three components. One of them is really important. So the first one is driving visualization improvements. Basically, it's going to recognize cones in construction area, just show them to you. And then especially if you are on navigate on autopilot, if it's engaged, it will suggest to you a lane change, but you still are responsible to control the car and the driving, obviously. The next one is Dashcam viewer. Now you can view your files on the dashboard. You don't have to take out the USB or the or whatever device you use to store the videos into a computer, download them and to go through them. If you want to see a situation or an event, you can do it on the Dashcam in your Tesla. But I think the most important one is out of order supercharger stalls. I do tremendous amount of driving, long distance driving. I go to Florida, Canada, many places, and I use superchargers all the time, and they are essential to your long-term driving. And I can tell you horror stories. My last trip to Florida, I would say that in every supercharger station that I stopped, there was at least one supercharger that didn't work. Sometimes two, sometimes three. Not only that, it's a busy time of the year to travel. With a lot of riders, a lot of Tesla riders who need supercharging. In addition to that, there were chargers that do not work. So now you will know that they are not working, so you can anticipate. Maybe if you have enough charge, you can go to a nearby supercharger somewhere else, something like that. But that, believe it or not, that is really important for those who do a lot of traveling. So this is really nice. I like this. This is good. Thank you guys. Hopefully this was helpful.